Welcome, magical souls. Today we're diving into the brilliant world of Sunstone, a crystal that carries the energy of the sun itself. Known for its ability to boost confidence, bring joy, and clear away negative energy, Sunstone is a powerful ally in your spiritual toolkit. So, whether you're seeking empowerment, abundance, or just some good vibes, this video will guide you through all the spiritual benefits and uses of this radiant gem. Let's jump in. First up, Sunstone is known for boosting confidence and personal power. If you've ever struggled with self-doubt or fear, Sunstone is the crystal that can help you break through those barriers. It encourages leadership qualities, making the wearer more assertive, decisive, and self-assured. With Sunstone in your life, you'll find yourself stepping into roles that allow you to take charge. You'll feel empowered to embrace challenges and opportunities, leading the way with confidence. Just like the sun, Sunstone radiates joy and vitality. When you're feeling weighed down by stress or sadness, this crystal can uplift your spirit and help dispel negativity. It replaces those heavy emotions with optimism, warmth, and enthusiasm for life. With Sunstone, every day feels a little brighter and it becomes easier to approach life with a smile. Who doesn't want more abundance in their life? Sunstone is linked to success and prosperity, helping to attract blessings and opportunities. It encourages a positive mindset and opens your heart, making it easier to receive the good things that the universe wants to give you. Placing Sunstone in areas where you work or plan your finances can help you manifest abundance and prosperity with greater ease. Sometimes we get trapped in relationships or situations that no longer serve our highest good. Sunstone helps to break those bonds. This crystal encourages independence and personal freedom, supporting you in making decisions that align with your true self. It's perfect for when you need to release old ties and embrace a new empowered version of yourself. Sunstone is particularly effective when it comes to balancing and energizing your chakras. While it's especially powerful for the sacral and solar plexus chakras, centers of creativity and personal power, it can cleanse and energize all your chakras. By clearing blockages, Sunstone helps emotional energies flow freely, stimulating your creative expression and overall well-being. One of Sunstone's most powerful qualities is its ability to protect against negative energies. Acting as a shield, it blocks psychic attacks and helps cleanse the aura of unwanted energy. This makes it easier to stay centered and positive, even in challenging environments. Are you in need of a creativity boost? Sunstone's vibrant energy helps spark innovation and inspiration. Whether you're an artist, writer, or entrepreneur, Sunstone can fuel your imagination and help you bring fresh ideas to life. It's like having a creative muse in crystal form. Sunstone is also known for enhancing intuition and spiritual insight. If you're at a crossroads or need to make an important decision, this crystal can help you trust your instincts. It guides you toward choices that are aligned with your higher purpose, ensuring that you're always on the right path. So what happens when you wear or carry Sunstone? Let's talk about how this crystal impacts you personally. Sunstone doesn't just affect the person wearing it, it also transforms the environment around it in profound ways. Place Sunstone in your home or workspace to energize the area with warmth and positivity. It creates a joyful and productive atmosphere, making it great for offices or creative spaces. Sunstone helps cleanse spaces of negative energy. It sets up a protective shield that keeps bad vibes out, allowing you to feel safe and centered. In social gatherings, Sunstone fosters goodwill and cooperation. Its uplifting energy helps people connect more easily, making it perfect for family get-togethers or parties. Placing sunstone in areas related to finances or career goals can help attract success and prosperity. It's a powerful stone for manifesting abundance in your environment. Sunstone is truly a radiant crystal, full of warmth, strength, and positive energy. Whether you wear it or place it in your surroundings, this stone can bring profound benefits to your spiritual and personal growth. So, what are you waiting for? Bring sunstone into your life and let its vibrant energy guide you towards success, joy, and abundance. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Have you worked with sunstone before? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, stay radiant and keep shining your light.